Hey everyone, in this guide I'll show you how to uninstall HandBrake from a Windows computer or a Mac. Whether you're troubleshooting the app, freeing up space, or switching to another tool, so here's how to remove it cleanly. Before uninstalling, make sure HandBrake is completely closed. If it is encoding a video, let it finish or stop the queue first. On Windows, you can also check Task Manager to make sure HandBrake is not still running in the background. On Windows, right-click the Start button and choose Installed Apps. On some versions of Windows, this may be called Apps and Features instead. Now use the search box to find HandBrake. Click the three dots beside it, choose Uninstall, then confirm one more time when Windows asks. The HandBrake uninstaller should open next. Follow the prompts and choose Uninstall or Remove. When it finishes, HandBrake will be removed from your Windows computer. Finally, restart your computer. If you plan to reinstall HandBrake later, a restart helps clear any leftover background processes. Your original video files will not be deleted when you uninstall the app, so those stay safe. And that's it, HandBrake is now removed from your computer. If you were uninstalling it to fix a problem, you can download a fresh copy later from the official HandBrake website.